Okay, again, the Ford Falcon 73 from Mad Max, BluePrint. Nice and simple search. This looks a decent size, yes. I'm pretty sure that'll do. So again, just do your right click, save image as. We don't want it in the mini, we want it in. Let's see, create one called Max, there he is. Save that. Okay, and then open the folder again. Right click. Open with Photoshop. There we go. Making sure rulers and extras are on. Click and drag lines down to line up with the roof, with the wheels, with the roof for this one, wheels for this one, and let's do the body for this one while we're here. V to move. Yep, that'll do. And the top for the rear. Yep. Scroll a bit. Drag another one down. There we go. Drag in from the left. Just do the chassis as opposed to the wing mirrors, or rear view, whatever you prefer to call them. The front also. Give them a closer inspection. There we go. Okay, drag that one across there while it's there, and zoom out a little. And of course they aren't lined up either. Some of these blueprints are awful at times. But saying that, that top view doesn't have a bumper on, does it? So we'll just drag that to the rear. Okay, and oh, we need that one also. And there we go. Oh, that's snapping to the bottom. Okay, alright, let's go. M for marquee. Again, top left, click and drag, down to bottom right, Control C, Control N for new, enter, Control V, V to move, let that snap into there, Control S to save, and PNG, and not in the mini. Let's put this one also in the Mad Max folder. There we go. And this is going to be a BP again. Front. Okay, that. Close that and to M again for marquee. Drag that one around this one. Control C to copy. Control N for new. Enter to accept that. Control V to paste. V to move. Drag and snap. Control S to save. Change to PNG. Already in the folder, of course. Again, BP. Rear. Enter. Enter again. Close that one. No, we don't need it. M for marquee. And then onto the side. Top left. Click and drag down to bottom right. Rear wheels look a little larger. That's okay. Control C. Control N. Enter. Control V. V to move. Drag and snap. Control S for save. Again with the PNG. It's a blueprint, so we call this side. Okay. No, I don't need you. Final one, M for more key. Make sure it's these lines here. Yes. And there we go. Last one. Control C to copy. Control N for new. Enter. Control V to paste. V to move. Snap. Control S to save. Select your PNG. BP. Top. Nice and simple. Enter, enter, and we'll leave that open for later. On the Blender.